what I do, the reason they give you colored hardener, the reason they give it colored is so when you mix it into the Bondo, you want to get it where it turns all one color. You don't want streaks in your Bondo, because what you're going to do is part of it won't harden. So you want it, just like you remember how you used to help your mom mix her cakes, and then she let you lick the bowl. Well, that's what you want to do. You want to just get it mixed real well. Okay, so I'm not going to use a whole lot, seeing it's out here. It all depends on the weather. If it was cold, I'd be putting a lot in it. But what I do is you want to really and you know, make it work good. What I'm mixing it on is a piece of aluminum. And what I do, it's a nice piece of aluminum. They say don't do it on cardboard because, I don't know. I've done it on cardboard. It didn't make any difference. But I like a piece of metal because you don't lose anything. Okay? Mix it very thoroughly. As it's starting to turn, it's kind of like a light blue. But just keep turning it over, getting it off the... Okay? Keep turning it. Make sure you get it mixed thoroughly. You don't want any streaks or lines through it, okay? So that looks like it's pretty good, okay? Boy, I sure okay a lot, don't I? Okay, here we go. What you want to do, press down on it. Okay, come down. And just come over. And what you're doing as you're putting the Bondo on, you're pushing down. And as you push down, that's going to remove the air pockets, the pinholes. Okay? See how I'm building that line right there? And what it does, folks, is it just, look at me shake. What it does is it just takes practice. And you're going to make mistakes. Don't get discouraged. Do it again. One thing about Bondo, you can always grind it down and start over again. We might be a little bit too warm out here. You want to slow the process down. You know where the word shade tree mechanic and shade tree bodyman came from. It's from working under a nice shade tree. Maybe that's probably what we need out here, is a nice shade tree. But you see how I'm just building it up here. I'm pushing it down. Now, it looks like a lot of Bondo going on there, but a lot of it's going to come off. We're going to, what we're going to do is we're going to cheese grade that, and half of that Bondo is going to come off. So now, see, we've made our line. We just draw how much, you can see how much I shake, which it's not from old age. I've shook all my life. And if I can do it shaking this bad, you guys can do it too. Okay.